Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you in today's new video. In today's video, I'll be trading using the alligator indicator plus technical analysis. There are so many indicators out there, but today I'll be focusing mainly on the alligator indicator, and maybe later on I'll make videos about other indicators to use. So for those of you who do not know, for those of you who are searching on the internet about information on how to make profit, how to trade crypto, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. You can join via the link in the description box down below. The link down below is a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add you to this private chat so that you can be able to trade, make money and make profit. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Don't forget to leave a like after this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to comment down below. And also let's get into the very first trade of today. So hi everyone, as I said at the beginning of this video, I'll be trading with the alligator indicator. The alligator indicator is a trend indicator. This means that it indicates when there is a new trade happening in the market, and it also indicates the reversal point. So let me show you how to get this indicator, how to set it up and how to use it. So to open this indicator, I'm clicking this button on the lower left corner. You can see a list of indicators and I'm selecting alligator. I'm setting all the settings by default, but then I'm changing the upper color different from the low ones. So now you can see my indicator on the chart. So let's understand the signal for a trade. The signal is a moment when the green moving average is crossing the second red moving average from bottom up, and this is the moment of intersection. So from here, that means I have to open a trade for an increase. Otherwise, when the green moving average is crossing the second red moving average from top to bottom, I have to open a trade for down. So, and after this intersection, the moving averages are moving parallel to each other, and the further they diverge from each other, this indicates the power of the trend. So it's also okay to enter the trade not only at the moment of intersection, but also when the moving averages are moving parallel to each other for some time. But it's also very important not to forget that technical analysis applies mostly, not the alligator indicator, because the alligator indicator is just an auxiliary tool to show you an entry point to enter the trade. So let's start the first trade. Where here there is the support level and the indicator is showing the entry point. The moving averages are diverging further from each other. So I'm entering a trade for 3 minutes for a decrease because I can see that the price broke through support level and it's flat here. And the indicator also suggests that downward movement will continue after the flat. So I think this 3 minutes here will be enough here. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, it's very nice. Price trended down and it has brought me my profit. The indicator signaled a very good entry point, and now I will continue my trading. Well, here there is downward movement towards the support level. After the touch of the level, the price is pulling back upwards, and the indicator signals that there is an entry point here. So I'm entering a trade for 3 minutes for an increase because I expect the price to trend upwards. So let me wait and see the results of the trade. Well, it's very nice. The price moved towards the resistance level and it has brought me my profit. The indicator also showed a very good entry point, so I'm ready to continue my trading. Well, here is the same currency pair after a while, and right now there is a movement downwards from the level, and the indicator also signals an entry point, and I expect the price to continue trading down. So that's why I'm going to enter a trade for down and expect a small pullback downwards, and maybe this trade will be profitable. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it is very nice. The price pulled back down and I've got the profit. The entry point was very good. So let me continue. Well, in this situation, you can see the resistance level and the upward movement. After the small pullback down, the price has been trending towards the level. The indicator is also signaling the entry point, which is why I want to enter the uptrend for 3 minutes, expecting the price to break through this level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, it's awesome. The price moved upwards and it has brought me my profit. The indicator really showed a very good entry point. So I'm ready to continue with my trading. Well, in this situation, the indicator is signaling the entry point, and I expect the price will be trending towards the resistance level, which you can see is located on the upper level of these candlesticks. So here I'm going to open an uptrend for 3 minutes, expecting the level to be broken through, an upward movement to continue higher, and besides, the moving averages are diverging from each other. This indicates that upward movement will continue. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's very nice. The price trended up and the resistance level was broken through. I've got my profit. And the indicator really showed a very good entry point and the upward movement really happened. This indicator is actually very good, as you can see. It really shows you the levels and the entry points, and it also indicates reversal points. So at this point, let me continue trading. Well, I can observe here the similar situation. It has been the flat here and the price has been moving towards the resistance level, and the indicator is also signaling the entry point. The moving averages are diverging further from each other. That's why I'm going to enter an uptrend here. I'm going to set a 3-minute time because I think this time will be enough here. Well, it is very nice. After the flat, the price moved upwards. There was the breakout of the level and it has brought me very good profit. And all this was due to the entry point that was signaled by the indicator. So let me continue and find another situation to trade on. Well, it has been the uptrend here and the indicator is signaling the entry point, and I can see that the price reversal is going to be formed. Well, here I'm going to open a down trade for 2 minutes because it's likely after the pullback down, the upward movement will continue. Maybe it is not a reversal, but maybe a small pullback. But to confirm this, let's wait and see, and after the results, and we can see if it's a small pullback or it's a reversal. So let's wait and see after the results. Well, it is very nice. There has been a pullback down and I've got my profit. So as I predicted, and also the indicator signaled a very good entry point, and after this pullback down, the price is going high as I assumed. So I would like to find another situation to trade on. Well, right now I am observing the downward movement. They are very good impulsive candlesticks after the small bounces up. So according to the indicator, there is an intersection and the moving averages are starting to diverge from each other. So I think I'm going to open a downtrend for 3 minutes because I'm expecting the price to move to the support level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, this is very nice. Price continued down, although there was a pullback up, and it has brought me my profit. Indicators really signaled a very good entry point, so let me continue trading. Well, it is the support level here, and the movement down is very steady. After the price touched the level, there was a pullback up, and now the price is moving towards the level, and the indicator is signaling the entry point. I expect the price to trend down, so I am ready to open a down trade here for 3 minutes, and let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, it is very nice. Price steadily went down and broke through this level. This indicator showed a very brilliant entry point, and I really find this indicator very helpful for my trades. So let me go on and look for my next situation that I can trade on. Well, this is the support level, and the price touched this level and then bounced upwards. After this bounce, the price has been trending downwards, and of course, I'm considering the indicator. I can see that there is an entry point due to it, so I'm expecting the price to move towards the support level here, and so I'm going to open a down trade for 3 minutes and I wait and see the results. Well, this is very nice. There was a pullback up, but downward movement resumed and it has brought me my profit. The price has been trending towards the support level, and the indicator was very helpful here as well, so I think I am ready to continue trading. Here there has been the downtrend that was very steady. It is likely that there will be a reversal or a pullback up according to the indicator. It's signaling an entry point, so I'm going to enter an up trade for 3 minutes because of this indicator, because it's indicating upward movement that it will continue. So I'm going to wait for the results of the trade and see. Well, it is very good. The price trended upwards and it has brought me my profit. This indicator showed a very good entry point, so let me go on with my trading. Well, here I am observing the similar situation. It is a very good downtrend and the reversal is about to be formed. The indicator is showing the entry point, so I'm thinking of entering an up trade for 2 minutes, expecting the price to continue moving upwards for a while. Well, this is nice. Price moved upwards, although you can see there was a pullback down, but I've got my profit due to the indicator. So I think I'm ready to continue trading and find other trades that are interesting to trade on. Well, here I can see that downward movement is happening and the indicator is signaling the entry point here. The moving averages are diverging further from each other and I expect the price to trend down. So I'm going to open a trade for 3 minutes down and wait and see the results. Well, this situation is quite controversial. As you can see, there was a flat, but then downward movement continued and I still got my profits. So I think I should continue trading and find other situations. Well, here I can see the downward movement. The price is trending for a decrease and the indicator is signaling an entry point here. And I'm expecting that after the flat, the price will continue reaching the support level. So I think I'm going to open a trade down for 3 minutes here because the price is likely to keep moving down and, well, I have to wait for the results and see. Well, this is very good. The price moved in an undulating way. This is a downtrend happening and I've got my profit. And the indicator again turned out to be very useful. So let me continue trading. Well, here there has been a very good engulfing candlesticks and now it is a flat happening but without the pullback. The indicator is signaling the entry point and I'm going to open a down trade for 3 minutes here because I expect the downward movement to continue. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well, this is very nice. After the pullback up, the movement downwards resumed, as I said, and price is quite steady in its movement, and I can see very good red candlesticks. I've got my favorite due to the confirmation from the indicator. So let me continue and find another situation. Well, here there has been a very steady down trade. We could already see the situation is similar to others. The price is starting to go up and the indicator is signaling an entry point here. So in this situation, again, I'm going to open an up trade for 3 minutes, expecting the price to move up, and a reversal is also possible here. So I think the only thing to do is to just wait for the results and see. Well, this is very nice. Price is moving in a doubting way, but I've got my profit anyways, thanks to the indicator and the very good entry point it showed. So I think I'm ready to continue trading. Well, here as I can observe the same currency pair after a while, the price has reversed and there was an up trade here. The price hit a specific point as you can see, and then the reversal happened again, and the indicator is also signaling an entry point here, and it's likely that the price will continue moving down, or maybe there'll be another reversal. So I think I'm going to enter a trade for down here for 3 minutes and wait for the results of my trade. Well, this is really dope. After the pullback up, the movement downwards resumed, and this indicator showed a very good entry point, and the price went down steadily. So I think I'm ready to continue my trading. Well, here I'm observing very good impulsive movement downwards, and right now I can see that there is a pullback upwards, but then there is still a place to the support level. The indicator is showing the entry point here, so I expect the price to keep moving down, and also that's why I'm going to open a down trade for 2 minutes and I'll wait for the results and see. Well, this is very nice. The price moved downwards and I've got my profit. The indicator showed a very good entry point as well, and the price really gave the downward movement. So the trades so far have been very amazing. So I think right now I'm going to open my very last trade for today. Well, here there has been a very good uptrend. The price has been trending steadily down, and as you can see, there are very good red candlesticks, and I expect them to continue moving to the inner support level, at least I hope so. And also the indicator is showing that the reversal is very possible too. So here I'm going to open a trade for down for 2 minutes because I expect that after the small pullback up, the movement downwards will continue. So let me wait and see the results. Well, this is amazing. After the small pullback up, the movement downwards resumed and it has brought me my profits. The indicator was very useful again, and the result is amazing, and now my deposit is $10,000. So I'm going to stop here for today. Well guys, as you saw, the alligator indicator is a very useful tool for trading, especially if you combine it with technical analysis, because technical analysis is the most important that you need to know before you can use all these other indicators, because all these other indicators are just auxiliary tools that point out entry points, reversal points for you to enter a trade, but you need to know technical analysis first. So if you want to learn about technical analysis, you need to join my private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link down below. This link is a link to my personal chat. You need to write me with the code word money team, and then I'll add you to this group so that you can be able to trade as well, make some profit, receive trading signals, be able to copy my charts and be able to learn as well. So also thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment down below, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video and hit that notification button. Until the next time, bye.